Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your system drive almost full, but you still have plenty of space on another disk? In this video, I'll show you how to move apps to another drive safely to free up disk space, without breaking the app or reinstalling Windows. This method works for most Windows apps and helps you keep your PC fast and organized. To move installed programs from one drive to another, the easiest and safest way is to rely on AOMI Partition Assistant. This powerful software has a wide range of features to solve many hard drive and partition problems. Its built-in App Mover feature allows users to move installed programs from one drive to another without losing data. In addition, it also enables you to delete large files to free up space or allocate free space from drive to another for extending space. Next, I will teach you how to use this tool. Step 1. Install and launch AOMI Partition Assistant. Click Free Up on the top bar, then select the App Mover. Step 2. When the main interface of this function is open through All Tools, Other Tools, App Mover, select the partition where the file to be moved exists and click Next. Step 3. In this step, tick the applications you want to move and the location where the target file wants to move. Then click Move. Step 4. Decide if you want to move, and then click OK. Step 5. After the move is completed, click Finish to return to the AOMI Partition Assistant main interface. That's it! You've successfully moved your app from C drive to E drive and freed up valuable disk space. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more Windows tips, and check the link in the description for recommended tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.